everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial piece of gear for anyone serious about their audio setup, the DTECH 5ft XLR to XLR microphone cable. This isn't just any cable. It's designed to be the backbone of your sound, whether you're in a home studio, on stage, or setting up a PA system. One of the first things you'll notice about this DTECH cable is its robust build. At 5 feet, it's perfectly suited for those shorter runs, keeping your setup tidy and minimizing clutter. The male-to-female XLR connectors are a standout feature. They boast a sturdy 24K gold plating, which isn't just for show. It ensures optimal signal transfer and corrosion resistance. The heavy-duty metal housing shell and the latch retaining clip provide a secure, strong connection that won't accidentally disconnect mid-performance or recording session. That peace of mind is invaluable. Underneath its sleek black exterior, this cable is engineered for superior audio performance. It features oxygen-free copper, OFC conductors, which are essential for transmitting clear, uncolored sound. A shielded layer works diligently to reduce electrical noise interference, ensuring that what you hear is pure, balanced analog audio, free from unwanted hums or buzzes. This means your condenser mic will sound pristine, your DJ lighting controller will communicate flawlessly, and your guitar amplifier will deliver its true tone. The exterior of the DTECH cable is equally impressive. It's wrapped in a durable nylon braided jacket, which not only looks professional, but also adds an extra layer of protection against wear and tear. This 6mm PVC jacket is solid yet flexible, making it easy to route, and crucially, helps to avoid those frustrating tangles that can plague other cables. Plus, DTECH thoughtfully includes Velcro straps, making cable organization a breeze, especially when you're managing multiple patch cables. This braided XLR male-to-female cord is compatible with a wide array of equipment. Think XLR 3-drum microphones, keyboard mixing board consoles, patch bays, preamps, desk studio monitor speakers, and even 3 XLR audio interface mixers connecting to EQs. It's truly a versatile workhorse for any audio professional or enthusiast looking for clean, hi-fi sound quality signals. For its construction, performance, and thoughtful design, the DTECH 5ft XLR cable stands out as an excellent choice for reliable audio interconnections.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.